Meaning of feudalistic.
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 Feudalistic. The term feudalistic refers to a social and economic system that was prevalent in medieval Europe. In this system, a hierarchy of lords and vassals existed, with the king or queen at the top, granting land and resources to their vassals in exchange for loyalty and military service. This system resulted in a highly structured society with limited social mobility and little individual freedom. The power and wealth were concentrated in the hands of a privileged few, leading to widespread inequality and exploitation of the lower classes.